Are you real? I remember you like purple. Good morning, people. Merry Christmas. It's December 25 here in Texas right now. So, Merry Christmas from my family to yours. Guys, sabi ko nga to kahapon. I think I said this yesterday. If we were in the Philippines, we already celebrated Christmas 24 night. Here, sabi niya ng asawa ko, like, ano daw, 25 talaga mag-celebrate. So, okay. Kasi nasa US tayo, so we have to follow whatever yung kailangan nila. Wait, patayin ko muna tong ilaw natin. Maaga ako nagising today. Maaga, alas 8. But, maaga because nakatulog ako ng maaga yesterday. Sobrang pagod ko, guys. Yung mga kids tulog pa rin. Woo! Gagawa tayo ng coffee kasi yung asawa ko gusto ng coffee. Maaga din gumising yung asawa ko, guys. Maya magluluto kami ng food, guys. Di masyadong magluluto. I mean, I was thinking of maybe cooking a pasta today, but I'm not really sure. Magham rata, and then you have to cook the turkey as well. This one as well. We have a big ham from Sam's. Sa Sam's namin ito binili, guys. Lulutuin namin to. Mamaya pa kami 2 p.m. lunch. May kasama na siyang it has like the sauce, I guess. So i-oven lang namin to mamaya. Medyo siya, yan. Kami-kami lang naman, guys. And then, yung mga bata, I'm sure, hindi man ito makauging ano. Mag-spaghetti ang tako. Should I cook spaghetti? Should I make spaghetti?
That's not a typical Christmas meal.
It's not typical Christmas meal. Pero Christmas man, sa Pinas, ay, spaghetti, medyo na ito sa Pinas, no? Bot na lang.
Okay.
My husband is introducing me sa ilang ano daw, Christmas here. Niya kay Mamis, may ginatang Pinas niya Christmas. Isa mo saan?
Put it back in the fridge for right now.
Why?
I took it out too early.
So, we have to make it by 11? 12?
Well, no, we want to take it out about
3 hours.
About an hour before we're going to cook.
Oh, okay. Tingnan niyo, nilagyan ng socks ni Bill yung doors. Yung mga bata tulog pa rin. Good morning. You're still sleepy? You're still sleepy? Good morning, Ashley. Good morning, Ashley. Good morning with the view. Nice, nice view. Katulog kag lami, no? Kay nag-thunder gabi eh. Let's open the window. Na pwede. Good morning, Ashley, and the beautiful view. Good morning, neighbors. Hi, neighbors. Good morning. And Ashley's view. Hello, wag yun magitugnaw. Nagsiling fan pa. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Ashley. Tawagan, tapos nula, yung late naman. Kuha na sa isa. What? Merry Christmas! Welcome to Nicole's room. Say hi, everybody! Ilalagay pa namin yung picture frame, guys. I'm so excited na busy lang talaga. Pero maglalagay kami ng picture frame sa wall nila. What? You're still sleepy? What do you have? This is from Santa. Oo nga, from Santa nga yan.
Dili, nakamata ko ganina.
Ninanoktok.
Dili, nagbutan dito ako. Bulkinsa.
Tay mo gihalog na. Oh, lo si grabe sa Santa Claus mo hatag og ano. Sweets. Kisa sa Santa Claus, si Daddy.
Ingon siya kay dako siya.
Dako siya ti. Bad kay gi-vlog.
Siya may ingon nato na dako siya tiyan.
Oh, so siya may si Santa Claus. Oh my gosh.
Pero ano siya bunga.
Grabe na puno ang stocking ug ano. Gilablab niya kaya na may Santa Claus diri oh. Nag-wave sa tail. Oh my goodness. Kali, no, not allowed inside. Merry Christmas. Ho ho ho. Magbihis ako mamaya, guys. Ito muna susuotin natin kasi magluluto tayo. And then mamaya magbibihis ako. Ulitin ko yung sinuot ko kahapon kasi gusto ko yun, guys. Mag-picture kami mamaya sa Christmas tree. And then asan yung mga Christmas? Oh, suot ko na siya. Baka matag-upaw, ano eh. Wait, sa. Eh, ano lang kay parang ko. Oh, diba? Merry Christmas. Yung tughoy man eh. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya, ano, baliktad man siguro niya eh. Pero, ano siya guys. Merry Christmas, everybody! What time is it? 12 already. And I think we have to start na cooking. Enough na, uy. Sige na kaibot-ibot. Maybe we have to start baking na.
Yeah? Yeah? We need a pan.
We need a pan. Guys, hindi kami magluluto ng marami kasi kami lang talaga. So, like, I was thinking before na sana magluto ng spaghetti. Pero sabi niya, hindi daw yung traditional.
No.
Then, go
You can't
drive.
cover the pan.
Go drive to Duplex then.
Assuming I have pants over there.
Well, you can look on the...
Anybody want to go with me? No, I guess not.
So, naiwan yung mga pan namin, guys. Nasa Duplex, hindi namin nadala. So, kuhaan na to yung mga ano, Santa Claus hat. So, magdadrive si Bill papunta doon para kukunin yun. And then, 2 p.m. pa naman yung ano, kain namin, guys. Right now, it's 12:15. So, we still have time. Ang gusto ko kasi, hindi talaga, parang feeling ko, hindi talaga pwede magluto ng marami. Kasi, yung mga tao dito, guys, ako, si Mom, si Bill, hindi kami talaga yung, like, kumakain ng marami. So, ayoko magsasayang ng food. Ayoko talaga magsasayang ng food. Kasi ilalagay lang namin yan sa refrigerator. Tapos, ang ending yan, hindi na naman makain. At least, matatapon na naman. So, yeah, like, it's really, like, something na, hindi talaga siya something, like jolly na sinicelebrate, like, Philippines. Here talaga, ano lang, like, simple lang na kainan, gathering, that's it. So, like I said on my previous video, sabi ko nga sa previous video, guys, na sobrang ibang-iba siya. And how I wish na nasa Pinas pa rin kami to celebrate this Christmas, pero wala tayong magagawa kasi andito tayo. But, it's okay. Okay lang yan. We survive. We survive. Cabinet in the kitchen.
Eko? Nakapiraan ko.
Ay, ay. And then akong rice. Where is my rice? I know that. Why not? Look at her OOTD. Mag-picture taking kami mamaya. So, nagsusuot sila ng sweater. Kasi yan yung magiging picture namin. Yashli is wearing red and Yashli is wearing red. Did I say that? Nicole is wearing red and Yashli is wearing green. Oh, yo! And then, later, magsusot. Ibabalik ko yung sinuot ko kahapon, guys, na gray na sweater. Nice kaya siya. Asa yung ano, hoy? Santa Claus hat. What? Di ka ganay? Did you try? You don't like it? Ay, nice.
Nindot magmug mga buhok sa bagay lang taon.
Anyway, magbe-bake tayo guys. Ito yung corn muffin mix. So, gustong-gusto ng asawa ko ito. So, I'm going to make this kasi sabi niya, gusto nila to. So, isang box lang kasi the kids and I, we have different food. So, gagawa tayo dito. Let's just follow direction and bake it for 20 minutes. Anak, very good kaya kung anak hindi. Hindi nagkadimawang pagbutang sa 1 egg. And then 1/3 cup of milk. Merry Christmas! Oh. So, Bill is gone.
I didn't think to bring my mother in until I walked to the door. I thought, I didn't think about my mother. I was thinking about you. My dog, Brandy, she makes these wooden roses.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
You can
She left me with a bunch now. I just cooked for Christmas dinner. That means a lot. But I don't cook.
Yeah. I mean, Bill is gone because he went to get our tray. Oh my goodness, we forgot our tray. It's in the flex. So that's why.
She put up our tree for us this morning. The tree that Mama gave me.
What is that?
She gave me that tree. That little
You
tree.
put it in the
She
house.
put it up.
Oh,
Yeah, it looks pretty.
that was pretty. And Bill actually put it in the table. And I was like, I don't need another one because we have the big one.
Yeah. Right.
Oops. I said, hi. I'm back. Hey, that's really a big.
Agree with you?
Yeah,
Oh,
she's there,
Oh,
sitting.
she's watching TV.
Oh, kids are not. They're always watching the same movie all the time, and they still enjoyed it. Yeah. I think this is the one.
Yeah.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride!
Charlie, you have yours as well? You have yours as well? You eat as well? Are you guys ready?
So he knows he's spot. Get the one that has your name on it.
I told you. I told
Oh,
you.
They want to have a sword fight.
I told you they're gonna pick up that one. Sige, open it daw, be.
What do you think it is?
What do you think? Guess. If you can guess, I'll give you $20. If you can guess. Guess. One try. She doesn't know. Just wondering.
Yeah. They're like, no, we can use this paper again. It's not wasting anything. It's a bunch of, it's a package of sticks.
I know, I'm like, what is it?
I know it's sick.
What is it?
What is it? Still no guesses?
What is it?
Still no guesses?
Just like, why are you giving us a...
I would think Nicole would have guessed that.
She got the label.
What do you think it is? She doesn't know.
What's the label say?
She doesn't know. She was like, so that means there's canvas. That. Where is that coming from?
What is that?
What does it says?
Who's it? Who is it? Who's it for?
Gisi Adechoyash. Gisi Adechoyash.
I don't know what that is.
I think that's...
It looks like a shoe box. Hey.
Oh. Yay! Gisi ya. Dritsyong gisi yash.
Are you sure it's shoes? Maybe it's just a shoebox.
Yeah, I got you one because I got Yashli one. That's yours. Gee. You want to wear that?
Is that gonna fit?
Is that yours, Yashli? Yours? Yeah, got you.
Go back.
That fits. Okay, good. You have to open the one from grandma as well. You can open the one from grandma. Yay, card. What do you want to say to grandma? What do you want to say?
Thank you.
Yashli, what do you want to say?
Thank you.
She hasn't even looked inside yet.
Ay, she hasn't pa di ay.
Look inside the envelope.
Not yet.
Look.
That's from grandma. What did she say?
I would see the error to push back.
What?
Yeah, that's it.
This one?
Yeah, white button. I've already. Oh.
What's
I
inside
don't know.
the
It's
card?
not taking them, but I don't know how to. This is live.
Do you have yours? Wow! Thank you so
Are you
much.
rich now?
Are you rich?
Yeah.
She is rich now. Is that for me? What is this?
Natuguma.
Wow.
Fragile.
Head.
Oh, naku na.
The other one.
Tell you what.
The other one.
All the presents.
Ooh. Wow.
For ate.
Is this for me? Sure. Wow.
Oh,
This is nice.
All the presents. Who's this for?
Uy,
Who?
it's gonna ping. What's that?
Who's it for?
Hold on. Look. Did you?
See? You wanted snow.
That's for Daddy.
Alright. Who's that for?
Can you read it?
Who? Ah.
That's for Grandma.
Oh, this is for Mom.
Yeah, this is for Mom. Here's for you. Who's this for?
Oh, Kali.
Where's Kali? Kali, come.
We'll get Ellie her present in a minute. Let's get this wrapped up here.
What's that?
For ate.
I think from
I know
Nicole.
there's more left.
I think from Nicole.
Did you get this one? That's pretty. Thank you.
Yay!
Oh, Mama gets one of those.
I'll get one.
Okay.
One
There's
canvas for
5
me.
in the package.
I got
2
one.
for you, 2 for her.
One for me
Mama.
because I want to paint.
Cool. Whatever happens this day, stay strong, have faith, and trust God.
Yeah, that's a nice word.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Whatever happens this day, stay strong, have faith, and trust God. Ooh, know it.
We all need that one.
I mean, just trust God.
You have to iron on.
Wow! White pajud, my favorite color.
You gotta get Mama to put the patch on.
So we're putting this
Why? She got what you like? She was like, woo! I don't know what's inside. What? Fill me first.
Okay.
What's this? Give me a guess.
Mga makaon na, makaon.
Oh my goodness. This is so funny. Oh my god. That's so huge.
Wala raba.
What?
Wala.
Is this real?
Yes, it's real.
Yes, it's real. I'm wanted to touch it.
It's a.
Welcome.
Oh my god! Yeah, you can put it in your...
That's real.
This is real kisses! Oh my!
Ako ra mag-fix.
Only it'll be. It's like some Highlands books, like when we're in the bookstore.
It's from Nicole.
Yeah, that's from Nicole. The little one is from...
Yeah, Ashley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. They're asking me to help them to wrap it because they don't know how to wrap it.
I can put that in my curio.
Yeah, that's so nice. Very cute. So small. That's really pretty. Huh? Kelly, you have your present as well. Oh my! Sit, 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 sit. Good girl. Sit. You have your present.
Oh, wow.
Callie, here's your present, Callie. You have present as well. I remember you like purple, so I was like, okay, Mom. You like purple too? Check, I like purple too.
We can sit in the recliner and we can both cover with this.
Oh,
Can't we?
yeah. Yeah, I use mine as well. When we watch a movie here, Netflix, I always brought mine.
Okay, open pa ni mo.
Okay.
Pang ate eh.
What's inside? Oh my! Does it smells good? Wow!
Well,
it smells good. Sana all the country gift. What are you doing? You're trying to put it all together? You're trying to put it all together. You have direction. You have the direction, right? So how do you
She's
do?
looking at me like.
Dad, can you put this together for me?
Well, I guess so. You need help?
Everything these days is just undo a thing and pull it apart.
Yeah.
This is Van Gogh.
That's
I
a
had to put
read.
it together just like this.
Hi. Say, wala gailis.
Gailis wag ko gusto.
Di ka nag-ilis. Oh, yung mga gift, wala pa kayo mo nilagay sa ano. Are you cold now? Guys, hapon na. Di ko nakapag-outro kagabi. Kasi, na-busy masyado guys sa paglilinis. But anyway, yeah, one of the gifts that they received from yesterday, Christmas gift from my husband, ito yung sa pang-paint guys. Magpe-paint na sila. Meron kasama to na ano. Ito pala. Tawag nito. Ito yung... Sorry, pag-open yes. Sorry, pag-open ba? Ano ba tawag nito? Nakalimutan ko na to guys. This one ba? Acrylic. Ito, acrylic. Acrylic. Siniko din, merong ganito guys. So, tig-isa silang ganito, tig-isa silang ganyan. So, silang dalawa meron. Please kami kanina. We went to Huntsville kanina. Then, actually, 1 hour ago pa kami nakabalik. Iwan yung mga kids dito, but they are very, behave and maasahan na ba? I can trust them if I say something. Na? Stay at home lang kayo. Stay at home. O paling mo try ba? You don't like the money? Rich na daw siya, kaya tagaan siya. Nag-run out money gapon. You're gonna put it somewhere. You don't have wallet, no? Wala kay wallet. This one is for winter. Si ate naman pa yung wala lang ako na photos. Ito yung kasama sa box na binigay ko kahapon. Winter na pants. Oh, kasi meron silang pang winter na. Meron na silang boots, meron na silang winter jacket and everything. Yan guys. Ay, pagpasan tira. And then kay Ashley dito, lagaran ni mong sweater. Uy, she's practicing. Gusto niya, mag-Korean na daw siya. Oh! Ako nang saradaan ron. Nag-practice na siya mag-Korean. Ingan siya. Sabi niya sa akin na, one day daw, punta daw siyang Korea. Doon daw siya mag-school. As if, ano tayo, millionary. Nice kayo mong room tea. Very clean. Very good. Labay pa na yung basura. Napuno na na. Christmas season here in the US. I mean here. Ibang iba siya guys. Ibang iba siya guys. Sa Christmas sa Pinas. Kasi di ba pag sa Pinas sobrang bibo. Dito, yung Pasko nila dito guys. Kain, like opening gifts. Walang fun. Walang fun. I mean like after that, wala na. Magsiuwian na lahat. But maybe that's because yung culture natin sa Pinas and culture here sa US, like native na white people, ay hindi ko alam. Basta, sobrang iba. Naiyak ako just to imagine na ito yung first Christmas namin dito na na-experience ko. And I was really shocked. Na naho-homesick ako because I felt like, bakit ganito yung Pasko nila? Bakit ganito yung Pasko nila? I wasn't expecting, by the way. I thought it would be like similar sa atin na jolly, happy, and then joyous, yung ganun ba? Pero parang normal day lang, guys. Namiss ko yung Pinas. I'm telling you, gustong-gusto ko mag-celebrate ng Pasko sa Pinas. Kasi, alam nyo yun, mga kapitbahay and everybody, mag-gather lang tayo, guys. And meron tayong pag-game sa barangay hall and everyone is enjoying. Everyone is laughing. Yun yung gusto ko. But dito ay, wag ka na. Hindi, iba dito guys, like, hindi ka pwede pumunta sa kapitbahay mo, like, you know, hey, yeah, masalay siya. Yeah, in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Oh, that's why you can cover it without blinds.
Well, so, because in the afternoon, the sun comes right through the window. And, because, you know, I haven't really had the heat on. So if the temperature drops below a certain point, the heat would come on. But if
hawa na, namatay na gina kong rose. Hindi siya mo-survive ay. Oh, kamatyo na oh. Butang ka na kami sa gawas na. 3:21 in the afternoon. Alis na tayo. Titingin kami sa Walmart kung meron silang mga clearance sale. Kasi sabi nga niya nung nakaraan, like after Christmas daw, yung mga binibenta daw sa Walmart, nagsisale daw sila. Clearance sale, especially yung mga gifts, mga Christmas decorations and things. So marami daw silang naka-on sale. Today, actually nakausap ko yung babae, Pinay. Nung nakaraan, nag-stop over kami, kumain kami sa Express Panda. She was working there and she approached me. She was so nice and sweet. And then, kinausap niya ako. She gave her number and I actually messaged her today. She said, Merry Christmas. And the work sa Walmart, guys. And I asked her if naka-clearance. Whether yung Walmart, naka-clearance ba yung Walmart today? Yes, naka-clearance. Malamig konti. Yung basura namin, hindi na-pick up ng ano. Walang nag-pick up ng basura today. And then, thank God, wala nang ulan. Kanina, grabe ang lakas ng ulan kanina, guys. Galing kami Huntsville, pa uwi. As in, yung daan, like, puti na, nag-fogs na, ang hirap, buti. Yung mga driver dito ba, ang galing nila, guys, kasi naka-hazard sila. Pag hindi na masyadong makikita yung daan, tapos nag-drive sila, nag-hazard sila, guys. O, nakapag... Atot, nakakita ko, teddy bear. Oh. I think this will go in my bed. This is too big for Ashley.
yeah, it's too big for our bed too.
Is it too big? Nabili namin sa CVS. Naka 50% off siya. So I was like, okay, let's grab it. Mura na lang siya, guys. Malaki pa. Look. Oh! Nakuha niya ay.
There's good before school starts again. Take the girls and play miniature golf.
Walmart! Na, rollback sila guys. Yung price nila dito, nagbabaan. Let's see. Ang dami nilang clearance dito, I'm sure. Yung mga clearance sila, ang dami. Naubos na yun dito guys. Wala na, we are late. Ubos na yung mga ano nila dito. Naka-clearance sale sila. Tingnan nyo to, oh, $5 na lang. This one. Mura na lang. Oh, mga ano nila dito. Hala. Ha? Maybe. I don't like that.
We already have one stuff.
Lagi kami nagpupunta sa clearance area kasi guys, marami na ano, clearance dito. Was it way more than last time that we were here?
Huh?
Was it way more than the last time that we were here?
No, I'm saying I bought another clay that they had over here on the shelf. 45-pound clay for
Yeah.
$20.
Oh, and that one is
58.
A. So that's
They
not
obviously
clearance.
Put it there and put the wrong price.
Boost na to today, I'm sure, or tomorrow ba. Tingnan niyo. Hala, what's this? Pang tulog. So 50% off.
Interesting stocking.
Who's gonna wear that?
It's a stocking.
Yeah, but who's gonna wear? Oh, really? Yeah. Like lahat ng mga ano dito, guys, nag-sale na sila 50% off. Lahat dito para sa Pasko. Kaya bumili kami ng isa. Yun na lang yung last binili namin, oh. Christmas light pang outdoor. Yeah, battery operated. Yeah, this one is battery. You can put this one.
Well, look, this is
What is that?
same lights I have now.
How long is that?
Multicolor icicle lights.
How long?
5.5 meters.
Ah, that's very short.
Huh?
That's the same size as what you have, I guess. At home. Hi. What's your inspiration? Huh? Ano? Tell me what's your inspiration for your ano paint.
Sparky mo.
What do you mean spark?
Ha? Wala.
Basta siguro. Pakita mo. Ha? Saan mo slipper? Did you put lotion?
Wala. Init.
Naingon bita ko unya na lang kainit kayo. Nag-draw sila guys. I mean nag-draw. Nag-paint. Oh, okay. Secret pala yan mamaya pa. Ha?
Dapat worth it. Jimmy.
Patya.
Dapat worth it.
Dapat worth it, good. Kay duha ra ba yung canvas? Ako ra ba ito isa? Oo, aman to yung si daddy. Magpaint man po ko. Kanang worth it kay para may sabit sa inyo ang room, okay?
Alright.
Alright.